Okay, I wanted to add just a little bit more bling to this, and I forgot completely about this braid right here. I almost always add some kind of bling to these double boxes if they're going on a girl's mom. So I've got these different, you know, diamond meshes that I've shown so many times, just whatever you can find. So I always go just, that pokes out a little bit, so I want to go just under that and then to here. Or you can wrap it around the bottom if you're worried about that. But I usually just go from there to there. So you could do the plain or the floral one, which is always pretty. And I usually do it on the side too. And then I have this pretty black, of course. And then I have the squares that I did there. Got some longer ones. I've got a double. That would be a lot of bling, that wouldn't be. So I've just cut around that, so I need to figure out how long I want that. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Now these are not, just noticing you can't cut across that because they're not all meeting up right. So I'm gonna cut upwards to free those squares. I got this at Hobby Lobby with their regular wired ribbons, and they do run it half off. It's still pretty expensive, but as you can see, I cut into this so much that, you know, it's going to give me multiple uses, and I'm going to be able to definitely get my money's worth out of it. So I can do this with the square, and it would match the square up here. So I think I'm going to do that. Again, I'm going to hot glue the diamond mesh here and not put the hot glue directly on my braid. Please don't do that. Give it just a second. Hopefully I can get this on here straight, not looking at it up and down. I'm not used to doing these things sideways, so. Just tap, 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 tap. Because the glue does come in between and stuff, so you gotta be careful. So I always do like quick taps. Like, you're least likely to burn yourself that way. Okay. See that? So it matches those. Now I can turn that sideways and go ahead and add, you can go ahead and do just the plain on the sides. Or we could do the flowers. I think just for the sides, I'm gonna do this plain. So it will again match this up here. Oh, I lost my space. So again, just hot glue that. Tap, tap, tap. I want these to match up, so I'm making sure I've got the same size. Even though there's, you know, a chance that it may be a little bit different on the other side, so I should have really taken that into consideration, but it's working fine. And again, just tap, tap, tap. Okay. So you see now it's nice and blinged up, and it evens out because this was all plain before and this was all blinged out. So now they're really matching up. I usually don't do much to this. I have cut out like the glitter paper, like I said, and done like the year or something small, or I did FFA once and glued those on there. That's up to you. You could even do little individual gemstones or individual of these in random places if you were really wanting to bling it out. And two, in the middle of the bow, a lot of times I will put some kind of rhinestone, gemstone, or one of these in the middle just to add, because I really like to bling them up and just really steps up your game. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching.